Hey everyone, today we're diving into 30 Amazon gadgets you probably didn't know existed. From smart devices that make life easier to ingenious tools that solve everyday problems, these hidden gems are sure to surprise and delight. Get ready to uncover some of the most innovative and useful gadgets available right now. Starting with the AI chessboard, your all-in-one solution for every chess need. Equipped with powerful engines like Stockfish and Maya, it offers advanced analysis and customizable gameplay. With vibrant LED lights, accurate piece recognition, and support for third-party apps, this chessboard takes your game to a whole new level. Enhance your meal prep with the nutrition scale, designed for those serious about tracking macros. It measures with precision down to 0.1 grams and displays essential nutrition values. With a spill-resistant glass surface and touch buttons for easy cleaning, this scale also includes data for 2,000 foods and room for 99 custom entries, making it a must-have in your kitchen toolkit. This home security system helps keep your home safe by making it look like someone is always there. It creates moving shadows on walls and curtains to mimic activity inside, even when you're not home. Set it to run for up to 10 hours with random movements that make the effect more realistic and effective. Travel smarter with the Remote Luggage Cup Holder. Perfect for busy travelers, this handy accessory allows you to carry 2 drinks effortlessly while keeping your hands free. It comes equipped with 3 pockets, one for essentials like phones and passports, and 2 for beverages. Designed to fit most suitcase handles and made from durable, machine-washable Oxford cloth, it's the ideal travel companion. Revitalize your knives with the rolling knife sharpener. This sharpener features a 4-stage sharpening system that handles everything from coarse grinding to fine polishing. Designed with durable aluminum alloy, it provides precise angles for every blade type, ensuring optimal sharpening for kitchen knives and outdoor blades. Discover the HoverPen Interstellar Edition, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum with a unique 23.5-degree hovering angle for a stunning desk display. This pen spins magnetically on its pedestal, doubling as a fidget tool to boost focus and creativity, and uses Schmidt ballpoint cartridges for smooth, precise writing. Step into superhero shoes with the Web Launcher. Designed for durability and ease, this toy features a built-in rechargeable battery and simple controls. Just press to reel in and launch. It shoots up to 8 feet with a magnetic head that sticks to metal surfaces, offering various playful possibilities. This durable bidet attachment enhances your bathroom functionality. It features dual spray nozzles for personalized cleaning, easily switched with a button. A self-cleaning mechanism sanitizes the nozzles after each use, ensuring hygienic conditions. Next up is the Mini Archery Bow, a beautifully crafted, scaled-down replica of the classic composite bow. Built with durability and an impressive 50-foot range, it's perfect for those looking to enjoy archery in a unique way. Ideal for outdoor fun or sharpening your aim, this mini bow brings a refreshing twist to a timeless activity. Keep your coffee at the perfect temperature with the Next Mug self-heating coffee mug. Choose from warm, hot, or piping settings. This mug features a durable design, LED temperature display, and a long-lasting battery, making it ideal for daily enjoyment or as a thoughtful gift. Unlock a new dimension of puzzles with the GoCube Edge. This Bluetooth-enabled cube transforms solving into an interactive global event. Charge up, connect, and compete with friends, or dive into games and tutorials that track and display your progress in real time. Keep your working space clean with the Mini Table Vacuum Cleaner. This compact cleaner is powerful enough to handle daily dust, pet hair, and debris quietly and efficiently. It features a long-lasting battery that provides up to 400 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Equipped with an auto shut-off function to conserve energy, it's always ready for quick cleanups. This toilet bowl nightlight guides you with a gentle glow, eliminating the need for harsh bathroom lights during nighttime visits. It's perfect for keeping your evenings quiet and your bathroom clean, making nocturnal navigation safe and fun for kids too. This gadget is a game changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional, effortlessly adjusting to grip hex nuts, screws, and bolts of various sizes. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, it simplifies numerous tasks in home improvement, construction, and auto repair, eliminating the need for multiple tools. The Spedient Smart Home Gym System delivers a complete gym experience to your living space. Combining cardio and strength training, this compact setup features dual-engine weight adjustments and a 21.5-inch touchscreen. With 700-plus exercises, 300-plus classes, and options like ski mode, it's perfect for full-body workouts without sacrificing space. This rotating pizza oven takes your baking to a whole new level. With top and bottom heating elements that can be controlled separately, it ensures even cooking from both sides. The built-in timer signals when your food is ready, and the removable non-stick baking pan makes cleanup simple. This rechargeable mini air pump is a 3-in-1 tool that functions as an air pump, lantern, and vacuum pump in a compact design. On a single charge, it can inflate up to 10 air mattresses or provide 10 hours of adjustable light. With 5 different nozzles, it's versatile enough for all your camping and outdoor needs. If you love nature and enjoy bird watching, this gadget is perfect for you and your family. The Smart Bird Feeder comes with a 2K camera powered by a solar panel for endless bird watching. Its full-color night vision captures the intricate beauty of feathers, day or night. Featuring AI bird recognition, it identifies over 11,000 species, enriching your nature education. Capture distant scenes in stunning clarity with the Iravio monocular, which offers 12x magnification and a 60mm objective lens for superior brightness. It features a back 4 prism and SMC lens that enhance light transmission, ensuring vivid images even in low light. Complete with a tripod and smartphone holder, this monocular is perfect for steady, detailed viewing during any outdoor activity. With this upgraded mini vacuum sealer, you can keep your food fresh longer. It has a powerful suction that seals bags quickly in just 5 to 10 seconds. It comes with reusable bags that help food stay fresh up to 5 times longer, great for storing meals or ingredients. This sealer automatically stops when done and has an easy-to-clean, removable liquid tank. Dive deeper and swim with the fish using the Wadu Subnado underwater scooter. This scooter lets you glide through water at speeds up to 1.4 meters per second and explore for up to an hour on a single charge. With intuitive thumb control, it enhances your underwater adventures, allowing you to discover more of the marine world effortlessly. This smart bathroom mirror brings a blend of technology and elegance to your daily routine. Featuring a durable, rust-proof aluminum frame and a shatterproof design with rounded corners, this mirror includes an additional 5x magnifying section for detailed viewing. Stay warm wherever you go with this electric portable hand warmer. Designed for comfort and convenience, it heats up in just 2 seconds with 3 adjustable temperature levels, reaching up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, and skiing, this hand warmer fits easily in your pocket, providing quick relief from the cold. Ilik is a charming robot pet designed to be the perfect companion for both kids and adults who love interactive play. Responsive to touch, Ilik displays a range of emotions and reactions based on where he is touched, his head, belly, or back. Engage in fun mini-games, watch as he interacts with other Ilik robots, and enjoy the excitement as they chat, play, and even throw parties together. Experience the thrill of Zipstring, the revolutionary toy featured on Shark Tank. Perfect for lasso tricks, finger puzzles, and magical loops, this portable gadget is fun for all ages. Charge it up, slip it into your pocket, and bring a burst of fun to any gathering or adventure. Unlock the power of sight in darkness with these high-tech night vision goggles. Capture stunning 4K videos and 36-megapixel photos in low light or no light, all viewable on a clear 3-inch HD display. With features like motion detection and anti-shake, these goggles are perfect for watching wildlife, securing your surroundings, or exploring the outdoors at night. This versatile phone holder, featuring 360-degree rotation, easily attaches to airplane tray tables, desks, or any flat surface, providing a secure and convenient viewing experience. Perfect for enjoying movies or video chats hands-free, it's an essential accessory for any traveler. Ivy, the AI flower pot, brings a unique blend of technology and companionship to your home. Unlike ordinary pots, Ivy interacts with you through gestures and shows emotions with over 49 different animations, growing in personality the more you engage. Inspect hard-to-reach areas with ease using this 2-way articulating borescope. Perfect for automotive checks or home inspections, its flexible probe navigates tight spaces effortlessly, providing crystal clear visuals on a 4.5-inch IPS LCD color screen. Stay cool on the go with this portable neck fan. It features bladeless turbofan blades and an innovative around air outlet, boosting cooling efficiency by 80% for rapid relief. Choose from 3-speed settings for customized comfort. Thanks for watching. If any of these gadgets caught your eye, check out the links in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more surprising finds. See you next time.